Hi everyone, today is Daisy's first day of school. She just started first grade and we're celebrating at home with sushi. This bamboo barrel is called a hangiri. It's used to prepare sushi rice. What you do is you cook your Calrose rice and then you empty it into the barrel while it's still hot. You pour the rice wine vinegar over it and then you take one clump and you fan it out. Makes a bit of a mess, but it's really fun. And what you're trying to do is you're trying to get a nice even layer, every little rice morsel coated with the seasoning. And also this helps the rice cool properly. This is something actually you should teach the kids to do. They'd love it. It's so much fun. And you fan out the rice and then you let it cool until it's dinner time. And I bought my hangiri with a lid so my rice doesn't dry out in case I want to do it a few hours early. I have that chance to get ready ahead of time. Hope you enjoy it.